Hi friends, this video shows how to use USB OTG. We need an adapter like this. This is type C to USB adapter. Using this adapter we can connect any USB device to mobile phone. So here I am going to connect this USB pen drive to mobile phone. So let me connect this pen drive to this adapter like this. After that, this end of the adapter we can connect to mobile phone. Let me connect to mobile phone. Okay, done. This mobile phone will automatically detect this USB pen drive. Similarly, we can connect any USB devices like USB mouse, USB keyboard, etc. So let me open this My Files app, then go down. Here we can see USB storage 1 7.45 GB. That means this mobile phone has detected this USB pen drive. Tap here. So now we are seeing files from this USB pen drive. So this way we can connect USB pen drive. Let me go back. Similarly, we can connect any USB device. Next, I am going to remove this USB pen drive. So first we need to unmount. Tap here, then tap on unmount. Done. USB storage 1 unmounted. So now I can safely remove this adapter. Okay, done. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.